In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email folder in Outlook. 5 minutes. Keeping your inbox tidy makes everything easier to find, and folders are a simple way to organize messages by project, client, or priority. We'll walk through creating a new folder in Outlook on the web, and then moving an email into it so you can start organizing right away. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Outlook website. If you're not already signed in, enter your account details and wait for your mailbox to load. Once you are in, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the folder pane. This is where you'll see items like inbox, sent items, and other folders you may already have. To add a new folder, find the More Options icon, which looks like 3 dots near the folder list. Click that 3-dot icon to open additional actions for folders. In the menu that appears, choose Create New Folder. Outlook will insert a blank field in your folder list so you can name it. Type a clear, specific name for your folder. Short names work best, and adding a prefix like client or project can help keep related folders grouped together alphabetically. When you're happy with the name, press enter to save it. You should now see your new folder in the list. If you don't, try expanding the folders section or scrolling. Outlook may tuck it into a collapsed area if your list is long. Next, go back to your inbox so you can move a message into the folder you just created. Click on an email you want to file. With the message selected, right-click to open the context menu, then choose Move. This brings up a list of your folders. From the list, select the folder you just created. Outlook will move the email there immediately, and it will disappear from your inbox. To confirm the move, click your new folder in the left pane and make sure the message is inside. You can repeat this process for any other emails you want to organize. If you ever have trouble finding the Move option, make sure you're right-clicking on the email in the message list, not inside the reading pane. And if your folder list looks crowded, consider keeping names consistent so they're easy to scan. That's it, you created a folder, named it, and moved an email into it. With just a few clicks, your inbox becomes cleaner and more manageable. Keep building folders that match how you work, and you'll save time every day.